Further tensions in the Middle East are stoking questions about the price of oil as Pakistan carries out military strikes against Iran. This comes as the International Energy Agency is projecting that oil growth is set to ease this year. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Ines Ferré to help us break this all down. Hey, Ines, I know you've been tracking this for us.
Yeah, that's right, Rochelle. So the IEA, the International Energy Administration, says that the world fuel consumption is going to slow down by about 50% this year to 1.2 million barrels a day. Now, that's significant because it's in sharp contrast with what OPEC believes, and OPEC forecasts that for 2024, you will see oil demand rising to 2.25 million barrels per day. Part of the reason why the IEA is saying this is because of macro headwinds and because of that shift to electric vehicles, for example. But if we just take a look at our Wi-Fi Interactive, you'll see where oil prices are today. You mentioned that Middle East conflict that's ongoing, the Red Sea, the vessels at the Red Sea that are being attacked by Houthi rebels. Well, all of that is giving some support to oil prices. So you're seeing Brent crude that's up today, 0.9%. WTI is up more than 1%. But keep in mind that you do have concerns about Asia, about growth in Asia, macroeconomic slowdown in Asia, with one analyst saying that that is sort of countering those Houthi drone attacks that you're seeing in the Red Sea area. So that's keeping crude in sort of a nervous state. I do want to add one other point about the IEA, and that is that despite this global slowdown that they're seeing in a demand for oil, or on top of that, I should say, that they are also seeing there's going to be more supply in the market. So they're projecting that the U.S. is going to be supplying more oil. And that's something that we've heard from analysts before, again, time and again, that the U.S. non-OPEC members are going to be supplying more oil. So there is going to be plenty of supply. And part of the reason why you have seen some of the forecasts, by the way, from analysts on Wall Street coming down when it comes to Brent and WTI. Brent right now around $78 a barrel. You've got some forecasts out there that are around $80 a barrel, up to $85 a barrel for Brent for 2024, guys.
Okay. We'll continue to track that as always. Ines Ferré staying on top of the oil story for us today. Thanks so much.